尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾、各位媒体和金融风投界的朋友们，非常感谢大家在百忙之际前来参加我们路石科技的大碟展翅蝶 TV 全球发布会，谢谢。下面我们有请我们保税区的吕东主任上台，代表我们全体的主办单位和承办单位致辞。
各位领导、各位来宾、女士们、先生们，上午好！我非常荣幸受邀参加路石科技公司大碟展翅蝶 TV 全球发布会。长春路石科技有限公司是长春兴隆综合保税区第一批签约入驻的企业。蝶 TV 是路石科技公司国际化研发团队历时2年多时间开发的世界上第一款真正意义上的模块化 TV。这款产品对促进我区产业转型升级、推动科技创新、引导区域经济发展具有重要意义。最后，祝愿路石科技有限公司在中保区这片热土上破茧成蝶，展翅高飞。谢谢大家。
Good morning. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming here today. We're really glad to have you here, and we've got something remarkable to show you, the ButterflyWings TV. Before we show you that, let me tell you a bit about the company, our company that created this product. We are Lucida Technology, and we've been in Changchun making electronic products for over 15 years. First thing that we created on the left was the thin client. Then we brought you the 82-inch touchscreen tablet. That's in the middle. And last but not least is the cloud office furniture. The cloud office furniture is the only kind of office furniture in the world that integrates the computer into the desk. So Lucida has a lot of experience creating electronic products. And this year, we're bringing you the ButterflyWings TV. It's the next generation TV. So this is what TVs used to look like before, maybe 20 years ago. Some of you probably still have an old TV like this in your house. And if you go to the store now, this is what a current TV looks like. So your current TVs, most of them are rectangular, and they all have 3D, and most of them have 4K now. You can go to the store and buy a 4K TV. So with the TV, you can still do what you usually do with the TV. You can watch TV, and you can also play games. With interfaces, most TVs have HDMI, and they also have wireless and Bluetooth. There's a problem when you go to the store to buy TVs, though. If you look at this picture, you will see that all the TVs are pretty much the same. So you can't really get a TV that you like. What if you wanted a TV that had a red frame? Can you get that? Well, you can't, because all the TVs are the same. So you can't really have a TV that's personalized, customized for your own needs. And that's when we started thinking, what do people really want in a TV? So we started asking ourselves questions. And one of the questions that we asked was, how do people get content today? And we looked at what the US Census Bureau said. And the United States Census Bureau said that, 89% of households in America, they have both a TV and they also have a computer. And then we found out some more information from Nielsen. Now, if you know Nielsen is a large company, and they're famous for collecting information on TV audiences. And they use this data to determine what content should be shown on TV. So Nielsen found out that in 2014, traditional TV viewing decreased by 4%. And then they also found out that online TV viewing, that is viewing of television over the internet, that shot up by 60%. And that's when we had a really bright idea. If 89% of American households are using both a television and a computer, and then if they're using their television to do things like watch internet TV, which can also be done on a computer, well, we thought, why don't we have an all-in-one device? Just one device that can suit both a TV and a computer. And that's when we came up with this really great idea for the ButterflyWings TV. So it's more convenient, less clutter in your house because you just have one device, and it also costs you less because you don't have to spend money on buying a TV and a computer. Instead, you can just buy ButterflyWings. So that's the first thing. The ButterflyWings TV is an all-in-one device. But then we started to look further into what TVs do, and then technology. And we found out something else, Smart TVs have computers. And the thing with CPUs is that according to Moore's law, the speed of the CPU doubles every 6 months. And this is a problem because technology advances, but sometimes your product can't advance. The only way that you could take advantage of new technology is to throw your old product away and buy a new one. And that's not very good because, what if you spend $3,000 on a laptop, and then 6 months later, you find out that there's a much faster laptop? Well, you don't want to throw away the laptop you just bought and buy a new one. So that's a problem because, technology in TVs can't be upgraded. The CPUs in smart TVs can't be upgraded. And that's when we hit upon another great idea for our ButterflyWings TV. And that idea was modular. Modular simply means that a product is composed of many parts, and the parts can be swapped in and swapped out very easily. So there you can have a look. That's pretty much what modular is. So it's very easy to take out a component and then put a new component in. And you can see there that there are many different things that you could change if you're modular. You can change your operating system. You can change the amount of memory. You can change the CPU in your TV. So it's very easy to upgrade. Easy upgrades are good because it means you don't have to wait to buy a new product to take advantage of advances in technology. You can take advantage of improvements in technology as soon as they come out. You just take out the module you want to upgrade, and you put in the new module. So it's very easy. The ButterflyWings TV is also environmentally friendly, and once again, this is because of the modular aspect. So in 2014, Americans threw away 13 million TV sets. 13 million is a large number. And most of these TV sets, they end up in landfills. And the TV sets have heavy metals in them. So what you find is that the metals will get into our groundwater, and then we drink that water, and it's harmful for our health. So it's not very good. Because the ButterflyWings TV is modular, it means that it creates less waste because you don't have to throw away your whole TV. If your TV is broken, or if your TV wants upgrading, you just take out the module, you put in the new module, and bam, you got a pretty much new TV. So this is probably the best thing about the ButterflyWings TV. It's the only TV you ever have to use in your life again. You don't ever have to buy another TV. So it also suits your wallet. So that's the ButterflyWings TV, and just to sum up, first, the ButterflyWings TV is an all-in-one device, so it's both a television and a computer. Second, it's very easy to upgrade, so you can take advantage of new improvements in technology. And third, it's environmentally friendly. So let's have a look at what we created. This is the first modular smart TV in the world. And we at Lucida, we spent 3 years developing and designing the TV for you. And there.
Everybody needs a TV. That's where we get a lot of our entertainment from every day. But TVs aren't perfect. For instance, when we go to buy a TV, we are confused because we face too many choices. But these TVs are created for a mass market. They're all very similar to each other. We can't buy a TV that is perfectly suitable for our own individual needs. Also, nowadays, every external device needs a separate remote control. You need a remote control for your TV, TV box, DVD player, and game console. Many remote controls can be pretty confusing. Last but not least, TVs contribute to a lot of environmental waste. Heavy metals from discarded TVs end up in our soil and water, where they eventually harm us. Most TVs are thrown away, because only one part is broken, but the rest of the TV works just fine. We all want to watch TV, but how can we reduce this waste? What can we do? Lucida Technology is creating a new kind of display, the ButterflyWings TV, that's designed to be easier to use and more environmentally friendly.
What really makes the ButterflyWings TV special compared to other TVs is that it is modular. Modular means it's made of easy to replace modules or parts. So you can make the TV you like. You can even use modules from different companies. For every module, you can choose any feature you need and support the brands you like.
For instance, when using the ButterflyWings website to order your TV online, you can choose the color. You can also add an Intel OPS module to turn your TV into an all-in-one system so it can be used like a computer. If you choose an OPS module, pick your CPU, memory, and storage. For your operating system, choose between Android, Windows, or Linux.
Another great thing about being modular is that each external device can be regarded as a separate module. Using this idea, we created one remote control for all your external devices. This is the follow hard remote control.
It's different from universal remote controls in that it automatically controls the device you are using. TV box, DVR, game console, DVD player. Just one remote control, it's so easy. But best of all, the ButterflyWings TV is better for the environment. Being modular allows you to easily fit, change or upgrade your TV without having to buy a whole new TV. Just change the module, and that creates less waste. With the ButterflyWings TV, you can stream movies, communicate with others, and catch up on urgent tasks before settling down for the evening.
Using the ButterflyWings TV to play games is a really incredible experience. Whether you use a single screen or max out on 3 screens, the images are amazingly clear and it's as realistic as gaming can get.
It can also be used to play PC games such as Need for Speed and Assassin's Creed. And you can hook up your Xbox or PlayStation to the display and enjoy better gaming from these devices. Even better, you can join 3 screens together for an even more fantastic gaming experience. The ButterflyWings TV comes with many optional accessories so even kids can get in the fun with motion-controlled games. We spent a lot of time designing the ButterflyWings TV to be everyone's personal TV. First, we did some research about what the perfect TV should have. From these ideas, we made several sketches. Finally, we took a vote, and the concept of a modular TV won. I think being modular allows you to be in control of what goes into your TV. Only the highest quality materials are used in its construction, and we've developed a strong supply chain system for the ButterflyWings TV. The control chips are being produced by ST Microelectronics, Europe's largest semiconductor manufacturer and a world leader in chip technology for multimedia devices. To learn more about the ButterflyWings TV, go to butterflywings.tv. That's www.butterflywings.tv.
Thank you. So I think it's a really amazing product, the ButterflyWings TV. And with an amazing product, we got some really quality components in it. We only use the highest quality in producing the ButterflyWings TV for you because we want you to have the best. So what we're going to talk about first is a panel frame. And the panel frame is important because it holds the screen in place. So it's actually like the skeleton in your body. You can't see it, but it's vital for your TV. The panel frame is created by Innolux, and Innolux is a world-leading supplier to electronics manufacturers worldwide of LCD screens. That's according to Wikipedia. And Our screen has a built-in backlit panel, and it also has a sturdy rear cover. So you can get your interlock screen in different sizes. We have the 50-inch, 58-inch. We also have a 65-inch, 75-inch, and in future, we plan to go even bigger. It has an anodized aluminum frame. Now, if any of you have iPods, your iPod is also made from the same material that the ButterflyWings TV frame is made from, anodized aluminum. And we use anodized aluminum because it's an extremely tough material. So that's what it looks like from the back. You can see it's really shiny. And anodized aluminum is corrosion resistant. It's also scratch resistant, so if you scratch it, it doesn't make a mark. The color also does not peel or fade, and anodized aluminum is created using an environmentally friendly process. We also spent a lot of time designing your TV. So at the back, you have some fins to release heat, and this is important because it lengthens the life of your TV, so your TV will last longer. The power switch and the ports and also the power outlet are located on the underside of the TV, and this has two advantages. It gives your TV frame a clean finish, so it looks very nice and neat, and also it makes the TV easier for wall mounting. So when you mount it on a wall, it's very easy to connect that power plug to the TV. Our ButterflyWings TV also gives a really clear, nice picture, so you don't get black edges around the picture. And we use a CNC manufacturing process. This is a computerized process. And what this does is it gives us standardization and accuracy when manufacturing the TV. So that's what the ButterflyWings TV looks like from the back. That's a gold color. So once again, you can get it in different colors. And that's what it looks like from the front. And you can see that the frame is really thin. So maybe the most important part of the ButterflyWings TV is the screen, because everybody looks at the screen. That's what you buy a TV for. You buy it to look at movies, to play games, and the screen really comes into play. So we have a lot of features on the screen, and the first feature is that there's a fast startup time. With some of the other TVs out on the market, maybe the startup time averages around 6 seconds. Some of them go as long as 10 to 20 seconds, but the startup for the ButterflyWings TV is just 2 to 3 seconds. So it's very short. Our ButterflyWings TV, you can see 3D movies, play 3D games, and it also has 4K. And 4K simply means that the picture is 4 times the resolution of HD. So you get a really big picture, but it's also really very clear. We also have a lot of colors, 1.07 billion colors being used to create the pictures that you see. This allows for a large range of colors, and it also gives richer images. So with the ButterflyWings TV, we got superior images. We also have vivid colors, and the picture is much, much better than what you would see on a normal TV. We use a lot of technology in the ButterflyWings TV, and some of those technologies I'm going to outline. The first one is the V/1 technology, and this gives fast interface speeds, so you don't get any screen jitter, you don't get any skewed pictures. We also use MEMC technology, and this allows for motion compensation, so you don't get any blurring while you're playing games on the TV, so it allows for better high-definition gaming. And the third type of technology is Super MVA technology, and this gives you a really wide viewing area. So you have 176 degrees you can view. And we've been working with a lot of people, and one of the companies that we've been working with is STMicroelectronics. And STMicroelectronics produces a chip for our TV, the display chip. And I'd like to invite somebody up here from STMicroelectronics to talk about the display chip. He's a really great guy. I've known him for quite a while, and I'd like to invite him up. He's a marketing and business development director. His name is Laurent Davian. Let's welcome him on stage. Hey, great to meet you.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Good morning. My name is Laurent Davion, and I'm the Marketing and Business Development Director for ST Microelectronics. Just a few words about ST Micro. So we are a European company working on developing semiconductors. And in ST, we are doing a lot of things in semiconductors, but our focus is really to put our products in every product where electronics can make a difference in your life. Because in ST, we want to make life better, we want to make life safer, and we want to make life healthier. So actually, we have our tagline is life.augmented. And today, I'm here to talk about ST-DP9320, the latest chip from ST Microelectronics, which is responsible for the picture quality in Lucida ButterflyWings TVs. So this device is embedding the Faroja video quality. This is ST patented and trademark technology. And this device allows you to have the best ever picture quality you've seen on a TV. And I hope that when this product is launched later this year, you will be able to really see the difference. And it's not only about picture quality. We have been working with Lucida to embed a few more features, like picture-in-picture, which allow you to watch at the same time 2 video sources. If you want to watch 2 football games, something like that, you can watch of them. If you want to skip some advertisements and these kind of things, is also possible. And because TVs is becoming more and more interactive, we have been working to implement a picture-in-picture. So this device is allow you to watch on the main screen what your favorite show, and also on the smaller screen in the right-hand corner, you see that you can have a video chat with your friends and so on. So this is very important. What else? Also, we discuss about having the TV modular. Modular means you need to be able to upgrade. So this is easily done by updating the firmware inside the device, so just a click through something that you can see on the button like that. And because we decided to have a TV that is not only a TV, but it should becomes your TV, so it can be customized, so that you can put your own logo, you can have some calendar events to wish you happy birthday the day on that special event, okay? So it's really bringing a TV that is becoming your TV. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Lauren. Great job. Thank him again, folks. Let's thank him again. Okay. So we're also talking about the speakers. Speakers are really important too in your TV, because if you're watching a movie and it's a silent movie, you just can see the picture, but you can't hear the sound, then it becomes not interesting. So we try to have some really good speakers with the ButterflyWings TV. And our speakers are created by Tectonics Elements, which is a British company. So there you can see what it looks like. Now, it's not as big as what you're seeing there. They're actually small like this, but they're really powerful speakers. So it's a high-performance acoustic solution for the speakers in ButterflyWings TV. And they have a narrow form factor, so they're only 23.9 millimeters deep. They use bending wave technology, and bending wave technology simply means that if there's an obstacle in front of the speaker, the sound waves will bend around the obstacle, and you get better sound quality from your speakers. They also appear to be louder. The speakers are also located on the underside of the TV, and we work with Tectonics Elements to determine the optimal position for these speakers. It also has an advantage because you don't have speakers cluttering up the desk where you put your TV. The remote control. Now, if you saw the video that we played for you, the remote control is an integral part of the ButterflyWings TV. And the reason for this is that it uses technology that nobody else uses. And we thought a long time about this, because when we were thinking about what kind of TV people want, well, one of the problems that came up was remote controls. And that's because when you buy a TV nowadays and you buy all these other devices, every device comes with a remote control. So you know your DVD player has a remote control. Your game console, like your Xbox or PlayStation, they also have a remote control. Your TV box, like your Apple TV box, that also has a remote control. And your DVR. So what do you do with all these remote controls? It can be pretty frustrating. And that's why we created something different. Even with universal remote controls, you still have to select the device that you want to control. And we think that, that's not really convenient for people. It's not so simple. So we created the follow heart remote control. Follow heart remote control, it's right here. You can see it's really nicely designed, and it's sleek. And it also it's made of anodized aluminum. So once again, this is scratch resistant, rust resistant, and it will last you a long time. And the good thing about the follow heart remote control is that you don't need to select what device you want to control. When you select the source or the interface for the device, like if you select the source for your Xbox, the follow heart remote control automatically switches to control your Xbox. So this is actually patented technology. So this is how our remote control works. Okay, so this is how the remote control works, and you can control all these different devices on it. So the remote control is pretty intelligent. It picks up what device you're using, and it automatically switches the buttons to control that device. And once again, it is patented technology, so only we have this remote control, only Lucida Technology. And to display that, we're going to do a demonstration for you. And here on the left, we have Leo, who is our chief engineer for the ButterflyWings TV. He's a really great guy. And hi, Leo. And he's going to help us with this demo. We're going to show you how the ButterflyWings remote control works. Okay. So there we have the Lucida OPS module, and it's using Android. And there we have it's selecting Apple TV. So the first time that you use a device, a new device with a TV, you actually have to set it up. It's very easy, and it's very intuitive. So you will select Apple TV. Okay. All right, and then you just select the source. So there we go. So right now, you're operating an Apple TV, and the remote control is used with Apple TV. Okay, and now Leo is selecting a different source. So this is Windows. And the remote control is being used to control Windows 8, so Windows 8 operating system. And once again, you notice that you don't actually have to select what device you're controlling. The remote control automatically picks it up. Okay, great. Thank you very much, Leo. Okay, let's move on. So remember I was telling you about that the ButterflyWings TV, you can also use it as a computer. And what makes this possible is use of an OPS module. And an OPS module looks very much like this. This is an OPS module. So it's a small box. It has all these interfaces, just like you would find on the back of a computer. And it's really simple. You have your ButterflyWings TV, and you want to change it into a computer. You just pop this in, and bam, you got your computer. So we have many different kinds of OPS modules, but I'm just going to highlight two of them today. The first one is the Lucida OPS module. And with our OPS modules, you can also select the CPU and the operating system. So if you wanted an ARM CPU and you wanted a Windows operating system, you could do that. If you wanted an Intel CPU and you want a Linux operating system, you could also do that. So the Lucida OPS module was created by our company, and it uses an ARM architecture CPU, which is a Rockchip CPU. And the Rockchip CPU is up to 1.8 gigahertz, and it is 60% faster than its predecessor. It also uses a Mali GPU, and this GPU gives amazing visual quality. It's even better than the graphics on a traditional PC. And you get different options with the Lucida OPS module. So you can have different amounts of RAM. You can also have gigabit and dual Wi-Fi. dual band Wi-Fi. You also get Bluetooth, and it also supports 4K video and 4K gaming. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite somebody else up to talk to you from Axiom Tech. Axiom Tech is an Intel OPS module manufacturer that we cooperate with. And we've been cooperating with them for some time. And we cooperate with many hardware suppliers. And Axiom Tech has been one of the more outstanding ones. They're always very responsive. So we're really happy to be working with them. And I'd like to invite the business director up, the director of sales. So his name is Changchun. He's a good guy. Let's welcome him up.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Changchun. I am North China sales director of Asian Tech. I am from Asian Tech company. I'm very happy to join Butterfly TV announced conference. Asian Tech is a global company. We are leading in industrial-grade computer design and manufacture. Our headquarters is at Taiwan, and we have branch office in China and in America, in Italy and in Germany. Okay, Asian Tech is one of the Intel System Alliance member. So we are focused on developing intelligent systems and intelligent solutions under Intel's platform. We are the first company to work with Intel on OPS architecture, and we are the first company to announce Intel OPS media player. Now, in Asian Tech, we have more than 20 OPS solutions, include entry-level Atom solutions and high-end solutions. Today, I will introduce OPS SS0 because OPS SS0 is the best choice for module TV and 4K TV. Okay, this is an OPS box. Intel defined OPS spec. It stands for Open Pluggable Specification. We simply called OPS. So under this spec, customer can very easy to install, to develop, to manage it, to maintain, and to upgrade their computer module. It is a very small CPU module. And under this spec, OPS module is a module of TV. So if ButterflyWings TV can support OPS interface, customer can very easy plug OPS module into ButterflyWings TV, and very easy to use. Also, Intel defines OPS form factor, very slim and light. And the computer module and the Butterfly TV can be all-in-one solution, and the ButterflyWings TV still slim. Okay, since I introduced OPS spec and how Intel defined OPS connect to ButterflyWings TV without any cable. Intel defines OPS spec like item 1. It is a JAE TS25 connector. Video and audio could be transferred from CPU module to ButterflyWings TV by JAE connector. Besides, OPS also defined external I/O, input and output connector, like item 2 to item 10. So OPS SS0 can support multi-port connectors. Okay, and what other advantage of OPS SS0? Let me explain. First, OPS SS0 provides fourth generation Intel CPU platform. It is hardware CPU platform. We support three kinds of Intel CPU: Intel i3, Intel i5, and the Intel i7. These three processors will co-work with Intel QN S7 chipsets. So OPS AA0 can provide very excellent video performance up to 4K resolution. So we support 4K resolution. And we can support DDR3 low voltage memory up to 8 GB. And we support one NSATA interface, so we can support NSATA SSD up to 512GB storage capacity. And we also support TPM 1.2 function. TPM 1.2 function can protect data security in your TV. And we provide rich I/O, USB 3, and Ethernet. This can help data in high-speed transfer. And we support external HDMI connector. This HDMI connector can play video and control second ButterflyWings TV. So if you have one OPS AA0, you can show and control two ButterflyWings TV at the same time. Also, we support wireless connection. We have two mini PCIe interface, so we can let OPS AA0 and your ButterflyWings TV connect to internet by 3G, by 4G, by Wi-Fi, or by Bluetooth. Okay, after I introduce OPS AA0 and the Asian Tech Company, we can know Asian Tech Company has a very strong design and manufacture industry-grade computer capability. So we can promise OPS AA0, this product can have very good quality, and it is the best choice for ButterflyWings TV. Thank you.
Thank you, Shen. Awesome.
Yeah, thank you, Gary.
Thank you. Okay. So next we're going to talk about software. And software is an integral part of our TV too. Because TVs nowadays, they use software. And remember, our TV, you can use it as a computer too. So you can choose your own operating system. You have different choices. There's Windows 10. You can also choose from Android. And there's Linux. So you can also choose your CPU and your operating system. So any combination that you want. Remember, this is your TV. We're not creating this TV for ourselves. Instead, we're allowing you to create the TV that you want. So we think that probably the most popular configuration will be a Windows 10 operating system and an Intel CPU. So you can use this just like a PC. It's meant to replace your home PC. So you don't have to spend money buying a TV and buying a PC. You can just buy one device, the ButterflyWings TV. So anything that you can do on a PC, you can do with a ButterflyWings TV that has Windows on it. So you can use Office, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You can also use Skype. People like to use YouTube to watch videos. And there's also Netflix. And once again, we have Leo, who's going to help us demonstrate how to use Windows 10 with the ButterflyWings TV. So there Leo is typing on, this is Microsoft Word, and he's typing the ButterflyWings TV is amazing. And you can see it works just like Microsoft Word on a normal PC. So you can change the font. Also gives you some, it says there's a spelling error. And there Leo has minimized it. And if you can also look at your pictures on the ButterflyWings TV. So it's a picture of some birds. Great, Leo. Thank you. So that's a ButterflyWings TV using Windows 10. You can also have Android. You know, if you want to have an ARM CPU and Android, you can do that. So it's just familiar. We're all familiar with the Android operating system. And you'd use it on your ButterflyWings TV just like you would anywhere, on your phone or on your tablet. So it's simple to use. Next, we're going to talk about interfaces. And ButterflyWings TV has many different interfaces. You can see them all labeled there. So pretty much every TV now has HDMI, and the ButterflyWings TV is no different. So we also use HDMI, which is the most popular interface right now. We also have a DVI interface, which is digital video interface, visual interface. And there you can see what the DVI connector looks like. So we support DVI because DVI is faster, and it's also compatible with high-end graphic cards. So you can get a much better gaming experience with the ButterflyWings TV. The revolutionary thing about the ButterflyWings TV is that we include a special interface, which is called DP, or DisplayPort. And DP is seen as the successor to HDMI. So that's what a DP interface looks like. And there are several advantages to DP and DisplayPort. DisplayPort has, the first one is higher resolution. We also have faster refresh rates. There's also deeper colors, and there's zero lag. So the advantage with DP, DisplayPort interface, is that you get a much better picture, and you can also do gaming much better. So it supports high-definition gaming. With the DisplayPort interface, it uses a technology called MST technology. And MST technology, it allows you to daisy chain up to 4 monitors together. So using just one interface, you can connect up to 4 screens, 4 ButterflyWings TV screens. And this becomes really interesting because if you connect 4 screens together, you can make a really big, massive screen just using one DisplayPort interface. So it's the best gaming experience that you're going to get with DisplayPort. It's better than HDMI, and it's also better than DVI. So the ButterflyWings TV is really built for gaming. So you can use your Xbox on it, and you can also use your PlayStation. But the thing that I really like about the ButterflyWings TV is it's environmentally friendly. So it has a lot of things in it. We use an environmentally friendly manufacturing process. And also, because the ButterflyWings TV is modular, it means that you don't need to throw away your whole TV if you need to fix it. Remember, you can just take out the broken module, put in a new module, and your TV works just fine. You also don't need to wait a long time to take advantage of upgrades in technology. You can just take out the module you want to upgrade, put in the new module, and there you go. So it creates less waste because you don't need to throw away your whole TV or buy a whole new TV. So it's better for you, and it's better for the environment. So the ButterflyWings TV, you can also send it back to us to be recycled. So we like to think that the ButterflyWings TV is really the only environmentally friendly TV that you can buy right now. And it's made in China, and it's made in China for several reasons. This is to bring down manufacturing costs. And also, China has some really good technology. So we make the ButterflyWings TV right in Changchun. Okay, and I'd like to invite somebody up to talk about our business model. And he's a really key player in our company. He has 30 years of experience with electronics, and he also has created his own company. He founded his own company. So I've been working with him for quite a while, and he's a really fun guy to work with, and I really enjoy working with him. And his name is Tom Hans, so let us welcome him up. Here you go, Tom. Thank you. Good to have you here.
Great. Well, welcome. And thanks for attending the Lucida ButterflyWings TV presentation today. Very excited to be here talking about the TV. I wanted to review with you a little bit about our business model moving forward. There are 3 components to our business model. There's crowd sense, crowd creation, and crowdfunding. The first step involves you, because this TV, after all, is really all about you and your ideas. We intend to take your ideas, we'll actually display them on our website and allow people to vote for the most popular ideas about integrating with the TV with software applications or anything you can come up with to contribute to the advancement in TV technology. So CrowdSense involves you as a first step. With CrowdSense, you create those applications, and if selected as the most popular, there's a reward. First, we'll make the applications available to the general public, and the reward is a potential royalty that would be paid to you for the best ideas. So with CrowdSense, you are the ButterflyWings TV. You create it, you're involved in it, and you're controlling the future of next generation TV. The second part is crowd creation. With crowd creation, you're able to take your ideas and integrate potential hardware via our OPS module. So we're looking for you to potentially develop modules, hardware accessories, or any patented technology that could be integrated into the ButterflyWings TV to make your viewing or entertainment experience much more meaningful. An example of the crowd creation process comes with LightPack. LightPack is a crowd creation partner of the ButterflyWings TV and Lucida. LightPack protects your eyes by providing ambient backlighting, and I'd like to take a moment to see this technology in action, and if you'll watch this, we'll go from there. So the third part of our business model is our crowdfunding event. Here again, we reach out to you for ideas and an actual investment in the ButterflyWings TV. Our belief is that's the best way to capture your ideas and your involvement in the development of a next generation TV. So we'll launch a Kickstarter funding program which starts April 20th. So that's very exciting. And you might ask, so how does this benefit me? The first thing is investing in the ButterflyWings TV. You can get up to a 50% discount. You can also get early delivery on the future of TVs, the ButterflyWings TV. So you'll be the first on the block to have next generation TV capability. And after that, we'll still allow you to contribute your ideas and your investment into the ButterflyWings TV. You can contact us directly at info@lucidatech.com. Now a little bit about our distribution process. First, we'll bring the TV and release a TV in the US. Shortly after that, we'll launch the TV and provide it across the rest of the world. Launch pricing on the most popular size sets made initially available in silver, gold, or black respectively. And the 58-inch in silver, gold, or black at $19.99 or $2,099 respectively. So in summary, the ButterflyWings TV, first and foremost, it's your TV. We're not telling you to buy this TV. We're allowing your input to create a TV that's just right for you. It's designed by you and built for you. Second, the technology is top rate from a visual perspective and from an integration perspective. It provides you with the utmost ultra HD 4K picture, and it's future-proof technology because the ButterflyWings TV is modular. It's also really the first only true green TV, environmentally friendly. So you're able to customize your viewing experience to exactly how you need it. Whether it's for gaming, for the ultimate detailed viewing, or whatever your application, you choose the features and functionality that you want in a next generation TV. So the next question is, when is it available? And we'll release it and start shipping in the June timeframe, available in June this year. So now I wanted to take a moment to recognize all the people in the development of the ButterflyWings TV. And so I'll ask those involved to stand, if you would, and maybe we can give them a hand. I'd also like to invite our CEO, David, up on the stage to say a few words. And once again, thank you for coming.
非常感谢大家对我们的支持，希望将来我们每一个消费者都能拥有我们的 ButterflyWings TV。谢谢。